In this lesson, we're gonna focus on subtracting binary. So let's start with the basics. What is 1 minus 0? Is simply 1. 1 minus 0 is simply 1. Now, what about 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1, they cancel, and that's 0. Now, what if you have 1, 0, but you wish to subtract it by 1? What will you do? Now, 1 0 as a binary number is equivalent to 2. 2. Because of this. And 1 is equivalent of 1 in the decimal system. So, 2 minus 1 should give us an answer of 1. Now, we can't do 0 minus 1 because that's going to give us a negative number. So, we need to borrow. So, we're going to borrow this one that's going to turn into a 0. And then, this 0 becomes a 2. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. And 0 minus nothing is 0. So we have 0, 1. Corresponds to 1. Now, what if we have this situation? Let's say 1, 0, 0 minus 10. 1, 0. Now, this column is for the 1s, 2, and 4. So, 1, 0, 0 is basically 4. And 1, 0 is 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So, this is the answer we should get. Start with the first column, 0. Minus 0 is equals to 0. Now, 0 minus 1, we can do that, so we need to borrow a 1. So that's going to disappear, that's gonna change is 0. And this becomes a 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And you could bring the 0 down if you want to. 0, 1, 0 has the decimal equivalent of 2 because of this. So, this answer is correct. Now, let's try this example. 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, and 4. We know 101 is equivalent to 5 because 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. And 2 and 1, 1, that's gonna be 2. 2 plus 1, which is 3. So we should get 2 as a final answer. So let's begin of borrowing 1. So this one will change it to 0, and this 0 will change it to 2. So the answer is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, 0. So the answer is this. We have the equivalent of 2 because of this. And we have the right answer of how to subtract binary.